Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I have a massive unboxing for you. This shipped from Weston, Florida, and is super duper heavy. Uh, as always, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share. Check out some of my other ones. I'm not sponsored by anything. I just burped and said sponsored. Not sponsored by the items that are in this video, but I'd love to be. If you would like to sponsor my videos, please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other videos. So this is a Bang energy drink unboxing. I actually got it right from Bang. It's pretty sweet. Sorry. I'm not trying to... And I'm not going to show you my address, but it's got the... It's got the Bang letterhead right there. You can see it. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other ones. Bang, if you want to sponsor me, these were not free, shipped from... While they were shipped from Bang, they were purchased from me, your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. So, if Bang, you want to send me some free stuff, let me know. If you, yeah. This is a big unboxing of Root Beer Blaze. To me, this is the newest flavor. I have not tried it yet, but I bought a bunch of it. These expire January 31st, 2021. So this is a 3 case unboxing of Root Beer Blaze. I hope I like it. It was a great deal, and I couldn't turn it down during the Cyber Monday weekend, Black Friday, whatever, Thanksgiving, Taupe Thursday, I don't know. So I couldn't turn it down. These were purchased from me. If you want to support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. I would love that. You can go to riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com. Onceuponatea.net. Find your shirt of choice. Shirts. Save about $3 off each and every shirt if you use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code. What's your favorite Bang energy drink? What do you guys think of Root Beer Blaze? This has creatine. It has Ultra CoQ10. And it's got some amino acids, I believe. Maybe not. BCAA amino acids. Some of them have EAA, you know, so extra virgin olive oil. I don't know. As always, thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. If you can't spare some change, then just, you know, go to hit the notification bell, subscribe, share my videos. Just let my videos play for hours and hours and hours. Try to get that watch time up. Recommend some of your favorite Bang energy drink flavors. I wish you the best. Have a great one.